Hello and welcome to Learn Data. It's great to have you on this channel. I'm Nilesh, and if you have reached so far in this series, I'd like to congratulate you on completing the unsupervised learning part of Scikit-learn as well. So by this time, if you're following the entire series, then you have all the methods from supervised learning as well as unsupervised learning under your belt. So you should be able to tackle not only toy data sets, but also real world data sets as well. So this could be either projects in your school or it could be projects in your company. And I'm positive that with the knowledge of all these methods, you should be able to answer questions based on the data that you have at hand. This could be regression problems, classification problems, or clustering problems, and different types of other machine learning problems that can be tackled with the methods that we have learned so far in this series. Until now, in unsupervised learning, these are the topics that we have covered. And using the methods that we have available in Scikit-learn for unsupervised learning, I'm sure that you'll be able to work on problems related to clustering or maybe feature extraction or decomposing signals, creating various visualizations of the data on either your projects in school or projects that you'll be working with your clients. Until now in this series, if you have any comments or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. I hope to see you all in the next video. Until then, please like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and it keeps me motivated that you are enjoying the videos and learning from these videos. So thank you for your support, and I hope to see you all in upcoming videos as well. Thank you.